So I'm just like luxuriating in this shit, okay? Been drawn to do a fast, so you know when your ass ain't eating, you know, you're trying to do the healthy shit. Got a refrigerator full of vegetables and fruits. I do sneak in an energy drink every now and then, y'all, because, you know, I'm human. But, we may do collective and then run through the signs real quick. Since it has been a hot minute since I've had my, mug on here, okay? 79 and 23, thank you much for showing up. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. That has been going through my fucking head all day long. What the fuck? Old school Missy Elliott. I'm gonna have a song stuck in your head. That's a good song to have stuck in your head, right? Hell yeah, it is. Oh, sweet Jesus. What is going on, Spirit? Whew. Y'all let go and let God. Any problems, issues you got going on in your life, let go and let God, y'all. Or whatever deity you choose to worship, right? Leave it to the Lord. See how that shit went flying? Oh, y'all see how that shit went flying? But I'm seeing the Moonlight Sonata, right? Thank you for the super chat. Moonlight, rescue, yeah, let go and let God, y'all. Just turn it over to the Lord. Whatever deity you choose to worship. Sometimes that's all you can do. Focus on the good. And remember, you pull in the energy around you. So stay positive, right? So we got 61 and 51, or 16 and 51. Okay, that's interesting. So 7, 6, 76 could mean something. 67 could mean something. Yeah, a lot of you, when you're drawn to just go silent, go silent. When you're drawn to just rest, rest. If you feel the need to fast a little bit, you know, if you're having a little bit of stagnation, a quick little fast, maybe over the weekend, 1 or 2 days where you drink more water and you eat less just to kind of cleanse the system. Trust what your body's telling you, okay? That's a lesson I've had to learn. When it's like, no, you know, eat your root vegetables, just drink your... And I'm drinking clear water. I'm not even putting my little Kool-Aid mix in it, okay? So you just got to do what your body tells you. Trust it, trust it, trust it. Because we got goblins here, 5, and we got stuck in the mud. So things are starting to happen around, okay? There's a lot of energies. You know, there's always a lot of energies at play that we are not aware of. So it's very important that you stay focused and you keep your energy up. You keep your energy up. You have to. That's up to you. Now, you know what? Whether you burn your sage or shit like that's a whole nother thing. The main thing is positive thinking. Positive thinking. I don't care what situation you got, how things are going. It's positive thinking. Now, I got my truck back from the shop, and I'm hoping, you know, the brakes are going to be good, okay? You never know when you get something fixed, so, you know, we hoping and praying, right? But things are about to become unstuck. And with the goblin energy there, take that how that resonates. I hear Archangel Michael. Ooh. God bless whoever that ambulance is going for. There was one about 5 minutes before I turned the video on. That's probably one of the things when you're living by a hospital and you hear the sirens go by, that always kind of bugs you. And we get the helicopter that flies over the lifeline. And sometimes that's pretty busy. So we got 24 here and we got 5. So 5, 6, 56 could mean something. 65 could mean something. Y'all, September 1st was my dad's birthday. He'd have been 86 had he been with us. So that was an interesting little thing to, oh shit, guys. We got 5, 6, 7, 6. So 5, 6, 6, 7 could mean something. The 6, 6, just keep your protection up. Trust your instincts, trust your gut, trust your intuition, okay? Wizard of Awareness, it's up to you. You got to be the one who is smart and follows your gut, your instincts, your guidance. If you pray to the Lord, or you pray to your deity, trust the guidance that they give you. 53, 35. You know, a lot of people want to pray, and if they don't see like immediate results, they're like, oh shit, that didn't work. But you know, you gotta trust, and Spirit Universe will work with you. Thank you for the super chat. They're not going to give you all the answers. They're not going to give you everything. You got to work for it. You got to work for it. What deck do we want to use, y'all? Beautiful energy, though, and y'all, I've just been luxuriating in Libras. Reinvention, transformation, coming up, coming out. You know, I looked up famous Libra entertainers just to see if I might have been channeling somebody. Lord, y'all, I did one reading. I thought I was channeling Britney Spears. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for the super chat. Y'all are fucking amazing. I want to tell you that. I can't express it enough. The love and gratitude all you guys have given to me. I hope you receive it back threefold. It's so amazing. It's so beautiful. You have no idea how it affects me and how much I love it. Okay, Spirit, let's hone in on the collective. What do we got here? We'll pull 3 cards for the collective, and then we'll go down the line. Spirit, please and thank you. What do you have for my collective? Anyone who is watching this video currently or will be watching this video, please and thank you. Guys, it kind of looks like we're due for rain here. I don't know. The sky's got a little cloudy. Looks a little gray. Calm before the storm, maybe? I don't know. The grass could use it. The grass could use it. Get all loosey-goosey here for y'all. Let's get all loosey-goosey here for y'all. Let's throw the bell one more time. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Ooh. Thank you, Spirit. Collective energy, 10 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Wow, sweet Jesus, what's going on here? 5 of Swords in reverse at the bottom of the deck. Reconciliation, someone new, what's going on? Ooh, y'all, look at this. 5-2-7 can mean something. 5 of Pentacles in reverse, 2 of Pentacles here with the 5 of Swords. So you could be having someone wanting to come back that might have done you dirty. Now, okay, with the 10 of Cups there, this could be love, this could be family, this could be friend. You know how it resonates. That's a pretty strong showing, King of Pentacles with the Queen of Cups and the 10 of Cups. But now this is what's in the background, right? The 5 of Swords energy and that 5 of Pentacle energy. And then the 2 of Pentacles. So this could be your conundrum right now, collective, or what someone else is going through. What the fuck, right? What do you do? Some of y'all, that could be your conundrum. If someone wants to come out of the cold, you know, that's going to be yours. Your decision to make. We got the 4 of Swords with the 2 of Wands. See, someone, oh, sweet Jesus, y'all can't make this shit up. 4 of Swords, 2 of Wands, and the 4 fucking Pentacles. So we go 5-2-5 with the 4-2-4, okay? So there you go. But this almost feels like a regression, right? It's a regression. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. For some of y'all, maybe someone's feeling bad because they did you wrong, right? So now, they want to reverse this, right? 5 of Swords in reverse, 5 of Pentacles. Let me apologize. I want to come back in, right? But it's like they had to do the most in order to learn the lesson, in order to come back in to heal. So there we go. Pop it, right? Reversal's hidden. What you put out, the energy you put out, you gonna get back. You just never know when the fuck you gonna get back, right? But then Spirit does shit like this, y'all. 10 of Pentacles plus that big old Ace of Pentacles, 11 of Pentacles. Now, what the fuck, right? Maybe someone's finally gonna come in and decide they're gonna work on something and give to something. This beautiful 10 energy, 10 of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles, both in the upright with a big old Ace of Pentacles right here. And we got this King of Pentacles. So you got somebody could be thinking about coming in, wanting to make this beautiful offer. Sweet Jesus, y'all. I'm not feeling any negative energy. I'm going to tell y'all that, right? Obviously, there's a past. There's someone wants to come out of the cold. Someone going to be coming back with the tail between their legs. Beautiful energy, though. That's the bottom of the deck, so that's what you don't see coming. But this Queen of Cups, what's this Queen of Cups about? Yeah. Ah, sweet Jesus, the numbers tonight. Thank you, Spirit. Well, we got 3 sevens up on the board. Okay, past energy. So this could have been someone either coming from a relationship or someone you walked your ass away from because you gave too much, right? Thank you for the super chat. Here's the 10 of cups. But here's your ass walking away with this 8 of cups energy, right? And then look at this. 7 of pentacles. You're like, I wasted enough fucking time. Okay? I wasted enough fucking time in this situation. I don't care how good it looks. I'm gone. I'm out the door. Oh yeah, think of that In Vogue. I'm out the door. In Vogue song, right? Never gonna get it, 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 never gonna get it. I never get it, right? Maybe some of y'all thought that. You're like, I am wasting too much time and energy. I'm not getting anything reciprocated back. I gotta go make my own choices, find my own love, because this ain't it. This ain't it. Now, underneath this King of Pentacles energy, we got the 7 of Cups in reverse with the 7 of Swords. So, I think we got this King energy, right? That done fucked up. They ain't got no options right now. So then we got this 7 of Swords, right? So now they're like, well, shit. I ain't got no options. So now they're trying. It's like he's trying to sneak away. Where's he trying to sneak away, though? Because... Now, y'all, this going to resonate on so many levels. For a lot of you, this could be family. Some of you, this could be friends. Now, some of you, this could be that. Ooh, no wonder someone's sneaking the fuck away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look at this, y'all. You can't make this shit up. Woo. Sneaking away from a tower moment. Uh-oh. Someone don't want to get burnt, right? This King of Wands energy. Someone didn't take action in the past, and now, they stuck. Caught in a trap. Can't hold back. Because I love you too much, baby. Now look, but he's trying to sneak away from this shit, right? This is when you're like, oh, fuck no. I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with that. You see, let's make a little... animation here. He running. He's like, no, they gonna catch me. Not today. But at the end of the day, he ain't got no choice. It's like, no, that fire's gonna burn your ass a little bit. You're gonna be stuck for a while. And this is stuck not being able to do anything, right? This is when Spirit says, sit your ass down. Jack, be nimble, Jack, be quick. This motherfucker tried to jump over the candlestick. Spirit's like, I don't think so. I don't think so. But we got 777, guys. We got a lot of these synchronicities going on. So this is going to be up to you, right? What do you do? Some of y'all, you're going to deal with these energies. Some of y'all not, right? You're like, ooh. You're going to be on the fence. Because over here at the Queen of Cups, this person's hoping like hell you gonna have your guard down, okay? They see you as the Queen of Cups. They know you're loving, you're kind, you're gentle. The Hermit. There's that Virgo energy. I've been feeling a lot of people this Virgo energy. People just going quiet and trusting your gut and instinct, right? Kind of doing that healing. Some of y'all getting back to your meditations, getting back to Jesus, getting back to your spirituality. Just taking a breather, getting grounded, getting out of nature, right? Getting your batteries recharged. That full moon on the 22nd, I tell you what, it packed a fucking wallop, okay? It packed a wallop. So a lot of you have had to recharge your batteries with the Magician right there. And there ain't nothing wrong with that, right? Recharging your batteries, kind of letting your guard down, no? You're keeping your circle small so that way, you're not really having to deal with shit. You know what I mean? You're not putting yourself in situations where you might have to be around toxic people. You're just kind of pulling back, maybe getting a little antisocial just because you don't want to deal with that bitch. You know what I mean? You're like, I'm good. No, the kids got something. We can't go out this weekend. Whatever the hell it is. You're like, nah, we good. We good. But I'm going to have to tell you, I'm not feeling negative energy with this. I think it could be a good positive boost. Thank you for the super chat. But it's like a lot. Okay? So whatever, if it's a comeback around and y'all, family or love on this, some of y'all it could be both, okay? You do what you feel comfortable doing. You do what you feel. What's your first gut instinct? What's that fucking knee-jerk reaction you get? Is it to run the opposite direction? Then your ass runs the opposite direction. If you're guided to stay put and hear a bitch out, then hear a bitch out. But I want you to trust that initial gut instinct. You know what I mean? And that is not going to let you down, especially when you've been praying and you let go and let God handle the situation. Thank you for the super chat, because 525 here, we got the double fives, but someone's wanting to flip it in reverse and come back, because now they've done the healing, right? And they can't let your ass go with that 4 pentacles. So someone's wanting to flip it in reverse. So what the fuck you gonna do? Some of y'all just be like Missy Elliott and dance your ass away from him, right? Because it's like, this person knows in order to get that 10 of Pentacles happiness with you, they gotta come in and make a pretty fucking good offer. Especially if, now if this is you stuck in your ways, stuck in what you believe, you might be like, I don't fucking think so, right? Now everyone's situation is going to be different. You know, if you're going to be willing to let somebody back in or not. And those of you that doubt it, just go by your initial gut reaction, guys. It's that simple. So we got 5s up in this bitch, 4s up in this bitch. We got 3 7s here. 2 of the perfect 10s to have, 10 of Pentacles in the upright and the 10 of Cups in the upright. We got this King of Pentacles energy, which is good energy. It's stable, right? They have their shit together somewhat. We got this Queen of Cups energy. So it's good energy, but there's some shit, right? What are you gonna do? There's some shit in this situation. Because a lot of y'all don't walk the fuck away. You went out and chased your own damn dreams. Thank you for the super chat, which is really what, I should be doing. Right? That's how you get in that Empress energy. You're too busy focusing on your life and what you got coming towards you than what you are somebody else. Thank you for the super chat. Okay. Woo! Let's throw the bell on that shit. Let's do some freaking individuals. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. CM44, 440. Y'all, them numbers, I actually seen a license plate yesterday with 000 on it. I seen one that was 1919X, so it's like things need to end for new to come in. Keeping positive. I always like to test some of them frequencies they have on YouTube to like cleanse the air and shit. I put on one and I tell you what, it was so fucking funny. Kitty was right here beside me. It was like the last 4 inches of his tail was moving. I'd never seen that cat react so in all my fucking life. So like the bottom part of his tail was moving. And then his ears were like going all over the fucking place. He's looking around, looking up at me like, what the fuck is going on? So I saved that one because Kitty liked that one. I was like, that's some fucking cool shit right there. Okay. Whew. Get us centered. What do you have for Virgo? My Virgo connected. Virgo, please and thank you, Spirit. Happy birthday, Virgos. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Virgo. Happy birthday to you. Okay, we'll split the deck and pull 3 cards. Apparently, that's how we're going to do it. Okay, Virgo, what we got? Ooh, the Devil. Could be dealing with the Capricorn, fellow Earth sign. 8 of Swords. With the, oh, sweet Jesus, Virgo. What the fuck's going on your birthday month? I think a very toxic situation here. But Virgo, I think you're going to escape from it. The Devil here, 8 of Swords in reverse, and the Sun card. And at the Mother Love and bottom of the deck is the Lovers with the 10 of Wands, okay? So, now let's pray to God you're just dealing with someone who's a Capricorn or has a very strong Capricorn placement. If not, this could be a toxic relationship. Because obviously you feel like this situation is very toxic. It's a burden, right? And I see the Fool in reverse with the Death in reverse. So, Virgo, if you've escaped from this energy, if you've gotten away from this toxic Capricorn or just this toxic energy, Now, if it's not a partnership, maybe it's just a way of thinking. Maybe some of y'all went to rehab. Maybe some of y'all started exercise. Whatever the fuck you pulled away from, because this is definitely a very strong energy. There's light at the end of the tunnel. So stay focused, stay positive, okay? Once you release this, the good's coming in, okay? You're free, the good's coming in. The sun's going to shine, baby. The sun will come out tomorrow. But you gotta free your bitch ass today so you can enjoy. Yeah, you know, you had to go through what you had to go through to release from this person to get to your happy place. Because you know it was just toxic. And toxic takes on many levels, folks, so take it how it resonates, right? Because I think this is going to be the issue. If this person wants to try to come back, because I think you're dealing with a very toxic energy that just wants to kind of keep manipulating you. And you might have been through a cycle with this person on more than one occasion. And they're hoping that you'll let them back in. So if you were able to escape the chains of the devil, keep running. Keep running, Virgo. Keep fucking running. Thank you for the super chat. You don't need that shit, okay? Beautiful energy, though. Anytime the sun card, you know, the sun card trumps the devil card any day of the week. So, you know, if you don't think you got the strength or courage to overcome it, you got it. Just stay focused, right? Y'all, if in doubt, trust that knee-jerk reaction, right? And you're going to be okay. Trust your gut, trust your instincts, trust your intuition. Okay, let's shuffle it one time and read for Taurus. Woo. Taurus energy. What you got for my Tauruses? Now, y'all, these readings are timeless. So whenever you get the message, you get the message. It don't matter. It don't matter when you get it. Any reader's readings are timeless, y'all. You know that, right? If you're drawn to it for whatever reason, they're timeless. Taurus, we got 3 of Cups here. We got the World in reverse. And 2 of Swords in reverse. It's like the party's over. I'm hearing that Billie Eilish song. Thank you for the super chat. I can't think of the words. When the party's over. When the party's over, Billie Eilish, right? But I'm not feeling the Star in reverse, the Page of Swords, the 2 of Pentacles. Coming off that star, the Queen of Swords. And, oh, sweet Jesus. Okay, Taurus. The Hermit in reverse. Okay, so someone's quiet, right? Someone's quiet. Thank you for the super chat. Someone's quiet in their heartbreak. Queen of Cups with the World card. So someone's heartbroken over some Queen of Cups, but look at this. We got God in the way. This is divine timing. This is karma, right? This is like destiny card. So someone here is definitely heartbroken and they're watching somebody. This Queen of Cups energy, so it could be a water sign that's pulled away from this Taurus. But, you know, your spirit and the will of destiny, will of fortune, guys, right? Letting go and letting God. Trusting your gut, your intuition. That's up to you, right? Because I think what we got going on here, so we got 3 of Cups here with everything is fine. So someone could be dealing with a partnership, family, friends, lover, whatever the hell's going on here. Multiple people in a situation, but something hasn't ended yet. So there needs to be closure to a situation, right? It's like closure that it's already fallen apart, but it hasn't quite left the building yet. You know what I mean? Yeah, it hasn't quite left the building yet. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. I think, what is that? I'm getting a lot of mute, but what is that song? Like, it's not over yet. Like, but for someone, it almost feels like despair, like it's not over yet. I'm thinking of a song in my head, but I can't think of the song. One of them fucked up female sad songs where it's like, it's not over yet, it's not... Oh my gosh. This has been rough. Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. I'm picking up lawyer energy on this because we got the World in reverse, 2 of Swords in reverse, and the Star card. So if someone was trying to get something going back up again, keep something going, they haven't been able to find a solution to the problem, right? There's no solution to a problem. But someone's watching because someone wants to break free. with the star here, because then we got the Two of Pentacles and the Page of Swords, but it's like other people's decisions. Now this could be, I'm not feeling two people fighting. Now it could be, this is almost like authority, right? Two of Pentacles here, and a decision needs to be made. So some of y'all going through a divorce, going through a separation, anything along that lines, right? This has been a tough battle, that's for damn sure. And now it's like left up to someone else. You know what I mean? Or some of you, if it's dealing with the child, maybe child custody, you got a child custody issue going before the court. But I'm really picking up lawyer energy on that King and Queen of Swords, right? Because it's like I'm hearing opposing. You know what I mean? But it's like a stalemate energy. But it's almost coming to an end. What is that fucking song I keep hearing in my head? Is it over yet? Is it over yet? But that's not it. It's been a battle, and it's been fucking brutal. Okay, it's been brutal, Taurus. That's for damn sure. Capricorn, my beautiful Cappy. It's the human side when things go wrong. Oh, Elton John. When the scent of her lingers and temptation strong. Into the bound, oh, Cappies. It's a beautiful song, but I don't like the subject matter, Capricorn. Let's throw some Jesus bells on this. You can ring my bell, ring my bell. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. Okay, I looked at it and I noticed 1258 on the dice here. So someone could have been born in December of 1958. Thank you for the super chat. Capricorns. Okay. Now, Cappies, this is either your energy or someone you're dealing with. But hearing that beautiful old Elton John song from the 80s, right? Cold, cold heart, hardened by you. Oh, sweet Jesus. This is like, we got Temperance here and the 9 of Cups. So we get the 11 Cups here, okay? Divinely guided situation. This is a life lesson. Capricorn. But, you know, what is the title of that song? Oh, my God. Y'all, I sang that once. I love that song. Elton John. If you know it, you know it. 80s. So, Cappy, someone's holding on to you. Someone's lost you. Or you've lost somebody. Cappies, take it how it resonates in your story. Okay, Spirit, throw 3 cards down here. Cappies, what's going on? 6 of Wands in reverse. Someone lost out. Queen of Swords. And the High Priestess. Okay. Clarify that High Priestess. 2 of Pentacles in reverse. With the 4 Cups in reverse. The Hermit in reverse. Oh my goodness. We got someone here who is intuitive as fuck. Thank you for the super chat. And the Empress. Oh Lord, we got an Empress in the house. Oh. Is this positive energy? Clarify the 6 of Wands in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reverse. Clarify those 2 cards with this Emperor energy. Okay, Cappies. 3 of Cups at the bottom. Thank you for the super chat. So we got some multiple people up in your shit, Capricorn. We got a party. We got a party. Whether you invited these bitches or not, they up in your shit, right? Queen of Swords with the 6 of Wands and the Emperor card. So this was something that someone let go of, right? This didn't work out. This Queen of Swords, and she's pretty fucking... how do I want to put that? She's pretty... It's evidently clear she's not happy with the situation, right? It's like this wasn't a victory march. So, you know, it wasn't a victory march. Capricorn, so if this is you, there ain't no one throwing some shade on you or trying to, you know, pull the wool over your eyes, right? Especially if you're dealing with this Emperor energy. Who's the Emperor? Aries, so you could be dealing with the fire sign. But you're like, If this person, you might throw up a little bit in your mouth when you think about this person, right? So whatever the fuck they did, you're like, fuck no. Okay? It's like if someone tried to dominate you, overbearing type energy. 227, Jackie Harry. Okay. Ooh. I got some of my older people in the house. Remember in the 80s and the 90s, right? So, Cappies, I don't think you're dealing with this fire sign energy. I think you realize, you're like, You break a bitch, right? You're like, you break a bitch. I don't think so. And now this, Emperor energy could be in the regrets, right? Because they fucked up something. Someone definitely had a lesson to learn. Cappies, this is what I find interesting, though. Because I thought this was good, right? The High Priestess in reverse, 2 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups in reverse, and the Hermit. And then we got the Empress on top of that. But for some of you, only because the 3 of Cups is here, this could be somebody associated with that Emperor wanting to come in and start some shit. The only reason why I say start some shit is because of this 5 of Swords energy, this King of Pentacles in reverse, 6 of Cups in reverse, and this Knight of Cups. I'm not liking this around that King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles in reverse is someone who is very fucking unstable. This is someone who's losing everything, right? So now they're lashing out. So, Capricorns, if someone tries to come back and get a reconciliation, maybe tap the fucking brakes, okay? Especially if you've dealt with this person before, and this is how they want to show up, right? This may be how they look. But at the end of the day, they're like this King of Pentacles, losing everything, ready to lash out. So, you know what, y'all? I'm drawing back down here this 9 of Cups here and this Temperance. Someone is definitely in their emotions, but they haven't healed a situation. So someone may try to come in prematurely and make an offer or try to get some kind of reconciliation. So thank you for the super chat. So if you know this energy, just tap the fucking brakes, okay? I don't care how sweet they come in. I don't care what they fucking bring. Just, if you know the energy, you played with them before, you dealt with them before, don't let your guard down on this. And for some of you, there definitely could be a feminine energy here. But the High Priestess in reverse, the Hermit in reverse, is 4 Cups, and this 2 of Pentacles. It's not like a positive energy. Now take that how that resonates. Yeah, because look at this. This 3 Cups, the 3 of Cups, we got the 9 of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and the 6 of Pentacles. Cappies, almost feel like you need to protect yourself, okay? Because it's like someone just wants to come in and take from you. 9 of Pentacles in reverse, and that 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Especially if you're getting your shit going, Capricorn, and you got that big-ass pentacle going. So just, be smart, Cappies, right? I mean, you know who you're dealing with, right? People don't change overnight. They just don't fucking wake up one day and everything is right? It's a fucking process. And especially if you've dealt with this energy. And I'm drawn to say, this doesn't have to be a lover either. This could be a friend or a close family member. With the Emperor energy there, that could even be boss energy as well. So it's like any area in your life in which you were dealing with people that you had to have your fucking guard up around because they showed just like you know who the fuck this person is, right? You have no fucking doubt. However they present themselves, you know who the fuck they are. So, but I'm drawn to say it's whatever area in your life you're dealing with, because I wasn't picking up love so much. There could be regret, but a lot of it could be because they don't have control over you, right? A lot of people don't like it when you see through them, right? They don't like it. You see right through me. How do y'all do that shit? How do y'all do that shit? Right? Because you're intuitive as fuck. A lot of you know because you've dealt with them. There ain't no fucking blinder on, right? So, Cappies, that's kind of a cautionary tale. I think you're going to get the heads up on that because you already know. You already know. Geminis, 554-243. Thank you all. Please hit the like button if you could. I gotta look good for YouTube since I haven't been posting any videos. Y'all, YouTube Studios get a little snarky on your videos. Fewer people are watching your videos, bitch. Fewer people are watching this video. Woo! It's like, damn. Definitely wanted to get some energy out. My Geminis. What's up with my Geminis? Oh, y'all, it looks like you can actually see the sunset now. The gray clouds are gone. Gemini, so things are clearing up for you. Looks like you got some options here. Oh, shit. But what are you going to choose, Gemini? Oh, you got to let something go in order to move on, Gems. What's your wish fulfillment, Gems? This is going to be the test. Yeah, Gemini, you're going to be having to let somebody go. That's obvious here. 7 of Cups here, 2 of Swords with 4 Pentacles in reverse. Which one you going to choose, Gemini? You got some options here, okay? But it's like in order to choose one, you're going to have to let go of something else, right? That's kind of how it goes, right? If you got a small closet, if you want to buy a new piece of clothing, you got to get rid of something old. Ain't that how they say to stay organized? If you want to bring something new in, you got to replace it. Get rid of something old. But Geminis, I don't think you're going to have too many issues with this because this has been just a big fucking burden. Whatever the hell you're choosing to let go of, I don't think you're really going to fucking miss it because it never brought you happiness. It was kind of toxic. It really made you weak and kept you off balance, kept you emotionally off balance, right? The devil in reverse there could have just been emotional manipulation. You knew it wasn't a good energy anyway, right? So, Gems, I think when you let this go, Jim, some of y'all just silently let this go. You just done ghosted this person. You just went silent. I don't even think you put up a fight, Geminis. You didn't even put up a fight. And for some of you Geminis, that fucked with them. Didn't put up a fight. Didn't put up a fight. Didn't put up a fight.